The main difference between AutoCAD and AutoCAD Mechanical when you're creating viewports is the ability to utilize what they call scale areas as viewports. Now, in my Model tab here, you'll notice I've got scale areas set up for each view. None of these views, however, are in the Layout tab right now that I've just clicked on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up to the View tab here and go to Viewport Scale Area whilst my Layout tab is current. So click on Viewport Scale Area and come into the drawing. It asks me to specify the first point as if I was drawing a viewport. I'm actually going to right click and go Border, like so. I'm going to pick on my plan view. Now these borders here, these scale areas, are all set to 1:1. So I'll just click on that border there, and there it is. I can drop that border into my drawing. There it is in the layout, ready to go. Now I'm going to make sure that the view is active, and then OK it, like so. Now that is a 1:1 viewport. If I double click inside it, it highlights like a viewport, and there's 1:1 viewport scale there on the status bar. I'll just double click outside that viewport to deactivate it. So that's my first scale area brought in as a viewport. Now, this is where it gets kind of cool. If I go to the Model tab now and double click on the scale area, I'm going to change the scale there to 2:1. I want it twice as big. I want everything twice as big. Make sure Perform Rescaling is on, like so, and then click on OK. I'm then going to select the objects for rescaling, which are those bits of text there, and right click to confirm. So that scale area now is set to show at twice its original size. If I go to the Layout tab, like so, and then double click on this active viewport, it tells me that the viewport is not up to date. Do you want to perform an update needed for editing? If I say yes, there's my twice as big viewport. I'll position it on the drawing like so. Job done, click on OK. Isn't that clever? Now you can do that with any of your scale areas here. So if you place a different scale area in your Layout tab, you could update it here and then update it in the Layout tab. I've only done that with the plan view for you. I'll leave you to do the rest. It's very easy to do. You just create a viewport. If I double click in there, you can see that's a viewport, and it's now at 2:1, where we've updated it for editing. Double click outside the viewport to deactivate. So utilize those scale areas in AutoCAD Mechanical. Very easy and quick to create viewports in your Layout tabs.